the vine. 3 steps in one direction, right or left. Starting with the weight on our left foot, we're going to vine to the right. We step to the right for count 1. We step the left foot behind, count 2, taking the weight. Then we step to the right on count 3. The weight should now wholly be on your right foot. Let's try that again. Weights on your left, 3 steps to the right. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Bring your feet together. We're going to vine to the left. Same 3 steps, starting with your left foot. 1, 2, 3. Let's try that one more time with the left. Weights on our right foot, vine to the left. I'll count you in. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.